Let me ask you something. Imagine you are the owner of a company. Your company has 50 employees. You have hundreds of customers. Your revenue is growing. Everything looks successful from the outside. But tomorrow morning, you decided to disappear. You don't answer your phone. You don't reply to WhatsApp. You don't check emails. You don't attend meetings. You are completely unavailable. Now, what happened to your business? Does everything continue normally? Or does the entire company start falling apart? Think about that for a second. Because if your business cannot operate without you, today I'm going to talk about concept from the book The Email Revisited by Michael Gerber. This idea is very important if you want to grow your business into an international business. I am going to show you the three different personalities that are fighting for the control inside almost every business owners. And by the end of this video, I want you to ask yourself for the one question: which personality is running your business? Because your answer might explain why your business is growing or why your business is stuck. According to the email revisited, there are three personalities inside the business owner, and these three personalities are constantly fighting for control: the entrepreneur future, the manager past, and the technician current. You should keep all three personalities in balance. So let's look at these three personalities one by one. Let me tell you one more thing. I am AI/ML engineer and software engineer. I help companies to automate their business process by building automation tools. With these tools, business can save time, do more work, and increase your profits. So, if you want to grow your business, I am here to give you my full support. You can contact me by searching Kalhara Wimukthi on Google. Visit my webpage. Go to contact page and send me a message. The entrepreneur, the person who sees the future. Let's start with the entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is the visionary. This is the person who is always thinking about what's next. The entrepreneur does not just look at what the company is doing today, they look into the future. Entrepreneur think, where should this company be 5 years from now? What will customers need in the future? What new product can we create? The entrepreneur is always looking forward. Think about Steve Jobs. When Steve Jobs looked at technology, he saw it differently from everyone else. Imagine someone see a computer. Anybody might think, okay, this is a computer. But Steve Jobs could look at that same computer and think, the entrepreneur is the person who creates the vision of the future. But here's the problem. Having a vision is not enough. The manager, the person who learns from the past. Now let's talk about manager. The manager thinks differently. While the entrepreneur is looking the future, the manager looks at the past. The manager asks, what happened? Why did it happen? What went wrong? How can we make sure it does not happen again? The entrepreneur creates the vision, the manager creates the structure, but even then, there is still one more person because someone has to actually do the work, and that's where the technician comes in. The technician, the person who does the work today, the technician lives in the present. The technician does not spend most of their time thinking about 5 years from now, and they don't spend all day analyzing what happened 5 years ago. The technician asks one simple question: what needs to be done right now? And then they do it. A software engineer develops the software. A designer creates the design. A mechanic repairs the vehicle. A chef prepares the food. The technician takes the work that needs to be done. Now look at the three personalities together. The entrepreneur look at the future. Entrepreneur says, this is where we need to go. The manager look at the past. The manager says, this is how we can organize the journey. The technician focuses on the present. The technician says, okay, let's get the work done. And this is exactly why a successful business owner needs all three personalities. That's how business moves forward. Vision, system, execution. You need all three. But here's the problem. Most business owners don't have these three personalities working equally. And this is where many businesses get stuck. According to the Michael E. Gerber, when most people start a business, they don't start with these 3% is equally developed. Gerber says that most new businesses follow a common pattern like this. The technician 70%, the manager 20%, and the entrepreneur only around 10%. This is not correct. The business should be balanced equally across all three percentages. Think about this. If you don't have one or two of these percentages, what should you do as a founder? You can hire people who have the skills you don't have. But you must understand the difference between delegation and abdication. Abdication. So you task to someone and completely forget about it. This can create problem in your business. Delegation. You create a clear system, train the person, and let them to do the work using that system. As a founder, you don't have to do everything yourself. You need to build good system and get the right people to do the work. In the next video, I'm going to take this concept even further. If you want to learn more about business automation, systems, and how technology can help you build a more scalable business, subscribe this channel because the next video could change the way you think about your business. I will see you in the next videos.